Oh great, now I got these two bozos watching me.
This is good. He called it too. You're talking to your fans. You're talking to your fans now.
I'm Callum Dunn, apprentice carver at Bienenstock Natural Playgrounds in Hamilton, Ontario. This is my piece, doing it for Cabbagetown. This is one of the more unique pieces we have because it's got two of these end grain faces, but it's one continuous seat. It's got two different arm heights. This is more for an adult or a taller person. That's more for a short person. This is a silver maple. As obviously you can see, very big. It's one of the biggest pieces that we have going down there. These are some of the pieces that we use for our chairs. They're usually around 30 to 36 inches in diameter, and they're usually about that long when we use them as chairs. I took it out chunk by chunk here, small piece by small piece, because I wanted it just right. I didn't want to make any mistakes. I didn't want to over plunge or anything. To get these curves in the corners, I just used the nose of the bar and drag it along there, just to get it as to one continuous curve rather than a bunch of bumps in there. It still has a little bit of sanding to get through. After that, it gets stained with Cabot oil, and it'll look really nice then. I'm very excited to see it with that.